Hi everyone! So we have Ninja Slushi professional frozen drink maker with us today. Let's unbox this baby and see what do we have. So first up, we have a quick start guide. If you're confused what to make, we also have a recipe guide to set you right up. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. We have different kinds of presets. Those are slush, spike slush, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice. We got you covered. Then we have temperature control. If you want thicker, you want thinner, depending on the drink you want to make. On the side, we have a 2-part tray, which holds your product right over there. And the best part, to clean this, we have a rinse button right over here where you just pour hot water into it and then just rinse it. That easy. I'm going to show you one drink at the end of the video where you will be able to see how it looks. So we are making a power slushy today. Let's turn this on and we're gonna select the slush after we pour our drink. Let's go. So as you can see, I have poured the drink. I have not added any kind of ice or anything like that. Let's press slush and see how it goes. So it's been almost 10 to 12 minutes. We are going to manually stop it. Our glass is ready. Let's check the consistency. It's just what you expect. I'm here ready with my slush. I'm so excited. It tastes amazing. Hands down. Perfect drink. Summers are around the corner. This is gonna be the best friend to make all your refreshing drinks, be it a cold frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, slush, just Ninja Slushi 8, okay? Just hear it out. Ninja Slushi 8. And that's a wrap on the Ninja Slushi Maker unboxing. If you want to turn your kitchen into a frozen treat paradise, head over to Best Buy and grab yours today.